Good afternoon, my dear Chintos. Vanakkam, vanakkam, vanakkam. Yes, welcome back to yet another cracking session. Okay, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போற செஷன் வந்து சாப்டர் வந்து எலிப்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹைப்பர்போலா. ஓகேவா? both are like brothers மாதிரி. ஓகேவா? தம்பி மாதிரி. So எலிப்ஸோட தம்பி என்ன ஹைப்பர்போலா, ஹைப்பர்போலாவோட தம்பி என்ன எலிப்ஸ் மாதிரி. Okay, ellipse வந்துச்சுனா hyperbola will be டகாடக் டகாடக் ஃபட்டாஃபட் ஃபட்டாஃபட். இப்போ ellipse தெரியலனா hyperbola அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகேவா? So yes, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon Sudarshan, good afternoon Nanda, good afternoon Rashvik. Yes. How are you people? எப்படி இருக்கீங்கடா? How's it going? How was your day? Tell me. Yes. Okay, so let's wait one more minute. Let your friends join. Yes, Sudarshan. Fine, Sudarshan. Thank you. Yes. How's your preparation going now? Preparation எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு? நல்லா போயிட்டு இருக்கா? So yes sir. இன்னைக்கு what's the date today? 17th March. Okay, we have left with only 13 to 15 days. Correct? ஸோ இந்த 15 டேஸில் எப்படி சார் பண்ணுறது, என்ன பிளான் இருக்கணும்? ஓகே, ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி நான் சொல்லியாச்சுடா. ஸோ எப்படி பண்ணுறது, எப்படி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும், ஓகேவா? எத்தனை how many hours you should study, ஓகே, மார்க் டெஸ்ட் எப்படி எழுதணும், எப்படி அனலைஸ் பண்ணணும், ஓகேவா? ஸோ அது ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி வீடியோ இன்னும் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் மேக் ஷூர் தட் யூ ஆர் வாட்சிங் தட் வீடியோ வித்வுட் ஃபெயில். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ பிஃபோர் ஜாயினிங் எவ்ரி செஷன்டா, ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து ஹேண்ட் ரிட்டன் நோட்ஸ், ஸோ அண்டர் த டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் இட் இஸ் பீன் அப்லோடெட் டா, ஓகேவா, ஃபார் எவ்ரி சாப்டர். ஸோ நவ் எலிப்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹைப்பர்போலா ஐ அம் டேக்கிங் டா. இதுக்கு கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் ஹேண்ட் ரிட்டன் நோட்ஸ் ஆஃப் த பர்டிகுலர் சாப்டர் வில் பி கிவன் டா, ஓகேவா? நீங்கள் அந்த போய் அந்த பிடிஎஃப் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி, இஃப் பாசிபிள் டு டேக் ஒன் பிரிண்ட் அவுட் அண்ட் யூ ஜஸ்ட் ரிவைஸ் இட் ஒன்ஸ். அது ரிவைஸ் பண்ணால் whenever we are discussing the concepts it will be very easy to connect the dots. கரெக்டா? என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? Yes. Surya, hi Surya. JEE 2028. Wow. Very happy to see that you're worried and you're concerned and you're showing, interest right from 2026. Wow. That's great. But I feel if you already have studied ellipse and hyperbola, then you'll be able to understand now. Okay, wow. So as I'm gonna go with only with the PYQs for upcoming, April session. So if you know basics, that is when you'll be able to connect. Otherwise it will be kunjam difficult, but still anyway you try to attend, try to understand what is happening. Okay, wow, right, that's great. Driv, hi Driv. Sarvesh, today is my birthday. I wish you very happy birthday to you, Sarvesh. So all the best for you, all the best for your upcoming April attempt, and see you in one of the top NITs and top IITs in 2027. Good luck. Yes. Start பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Are you all ready? Yes, Pranay. Hi Pranay. Hi. Start பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Tell me. Yes, right. Tell me guys, are you all ready? என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? எல்லாருக்கும்? என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா இல்லையா? வாய்ஸ் ப்ராப்பரா இருக்கா? எஸ் சார். ஓகே, ஸோ why late? இப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். டக்காடக் சால்வ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஆஸ் வி டூ எவ்ரி டைம் டா, நீங்க ஒரு நோட் புக்ஸ் முன்னாடி வச்சுட்டு சால்வ் பண்ணணும் சைமல்டேனியஸ். ஓகேவா? ஸோ கான்செப்ட் நான் சொல்லி தரேன். ஓகேவா? ஸோ கொஸ்டினுக்கு மேல கான்செப்ட் என்ன இருக்கு, அந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு ரிலேட்டடான கான்செப்ட் என்ன, I'll just try to write that concept, the formula you say, the concept you say, I'll just try to give a touch. Okay, slight touch up to the concept, then we'll go with the question. That's great. Hi Surya, hi. Okay. Chalo. So one more thing enna, you all have to subscribe this channel if you have not done it. Okay va, இது subscribe பண்ணிக்கோங்கடா. So definitely we are going to post like super productive content for upcoming April attempt regularly. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and please don't forget to share this with your friends. Okay va, marakama neenga download பண்ணனும் notes, marakama PYQ solve பண்ணனும், marakama handwritten notes revise பண்ணி session க்கு வந்தா, so it will be very very useful for you all, right? That's great. Hi Ravi, hi Shanta Swami, that's great. Okay, look at the first question. First question enna sir irukku? An ellipse has its center at this, okay, and one focus is at 3 comma minus 2 and one vertex is at 5 comma minus 2. Then the length of its lattice rectum enna? See guys, I'll tell you length of lattice rectum enna. Find the equation of chord when midpoint is given. See, majority of the question of ellipse and hyperbola one eppadi irukona, find out the length of lattice rectum or find out a value, b value, distance between foci will be given to us, find out a value, b value or alpha square beta square by giving some information. Okay, all different variety of the questions we'll try to see. 2026 will fully cover, 2025 will try to cover mostly, 2024 will cover, 23 will try to give a, majority of the questions are similar da. Ipo 26, 25, 24 questions paathiyaachina 23, 22 easy ah panikla. Okay, in 2026 all the type of questions we will try to cover. Okay, yes, right. Okay Pranay, look, an ellipse has its center at this, focus at this. Okay, tell me down, இது வந்து எப்படி sir? Let me draw கொஞ்சம் rough diagram da. Okay, rough diagram, let us see. Okay வா, let us see the rough diagram. நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா so center வந்து 1 comma minus 2, center 1 comma minus 2, center வந்து இங்க இருக்குடா. Okay வா, center வந்து இங்க இருக்குடா. Focus வந்து 3 comma minus 2, focus வந்து இங்க இருக்குடா. இது என்ன சார்? இது வந்து center. Let me denote center. C is what is C basically? C is basically 1 comma minus 2, correct ah? 1 comma minus 2 and focus வந்து, let us say focus we denote with S, correct ah? Appo 3 comma minus 2, yes or no? 100%. Vertex of the ellipse, what is the vertex? Vertex is 5 comma minus 2. Vertex let us denote with V, 5 comma minus 2. One va sir, all these are, see, all the 3 points or y coordinate enna irukku sir? -2 -2 -2 va. So they all are lying on the same line, correct ah? They are lying on the same line. Do you agree with my point? Yes sir. Ipo ipdi pathina, see, concept enna? What is the concept? For example, this is ellipse, correct ah? So now this is the center, this is the vertex and this is the foci, correct ah? Appo tell me, so what is then in general distance between the center and focus enna sir? AE, correct dana? Distance between the center, distance between the center and the vertex enna sir? A, as this is a comma 0 sir, as this is AE comma 0 sir. Appo இந்த distance வந்து AE, இந்த distance வந்து A, correct ah? இது தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? 100% sir, இது வந்து சிண்டுவான கான்செப்ட். அப்போ you tell me da, இது AE, center, distance between center and focus வந்து AE, இந்த distance என்ன sir? AE. What is that? 1 2 3 distance. So from this can I write AE is equal to what sir? From this what is AE? AE என்ன sir? Center to focus distance, which is 2 units, correct ah? Appo center to vertex distance how much? Center to vertex distance how much? 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is distance how much? 4. எனக்கு AE தெரியும், A தெரியும், B value find out பண்ண முடியாதுங்க. Chin to tell me da, B value எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? We know that. What is the relation between A, B and E sir? What is the relation between A, B, E sir? இது வந்து horizontal ellipse. So B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square, correct ah? So இந்த relation யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? இந்த இப்போ A தெரியும், E தெரியும்டா. AE தெரியும், A value தெரியும். அப்போ can't you find out B value? Yes or no? So A square minus AE whole square, correct ah தம்பி? Are you all understanding? Yes sir. இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா புரியுதா இல்லையா? So B square என்ன sir? So B square is equal to, oh my god, 1 minute, into So b square is equal to what? A square. A square is what, sir? 16. AE whole square is what, sir? 4. So b square வந்து 12, sir. What I need to find out? LLR. What you need to find out? To find LLR. To find LLR. So 2b square by a or not, tell me. 2b square by a or not formula? 2b square by a or not? You all tell me whether you know this formula or not. Chintu. Yes, sir. So LLR, which is 2b square by a, 2 by 4. So 4 ones, 4 threes, 2 3 6. 6. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Tell me that. It was the 2026 question. Simple question. Laddu question. Basic Jadagam of ellipse. If you know, you will be able to understand that. Jadagam of ellipse means what, sir? If you open my handwritten notes and see that I might have given Jadagam of ellipse is nothing but in Tamil Jadagam na details. Okay, wow. So Jadagam of ellipse. What is the center of the ellipse? What is the foci of the ellipse? What is the vertex of the ellipse? What is LLR of the ellipse? What is the axis of the ellipse? What is the directrix of the ellipse? Okay. What is the tangent vertex of the ellipse? Correct? Extremities of LLR now. Everything. Adu vandu fulla I just gave it as a Jadagam table in my handwritten notes. If you go through that, definitely in the concept one ipdi solve pannila. Ready? Yes, sir. Next question polama. Next question polama illaya? Solanu. Takatak fatapat solanu la. Chintu. Are Chintu, tell me Chintu, are you all understanding? Yes, sir. Very good, Sudarshan. Very good. Yes, sir. Rashvik, very good, Tabi. Yes. Sir, how many marks are expected from the whole conic section, sir? Are whole conic section definitely minimum 2 questions will come down. Okay, wow. As the trend is going, as the trend suggesting minimum 2 questions. Parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, moon chapter mela, kandipa 2 questions will come. Okay, wow. Kandipa 2 questions will come. Yes or no? Yes. Handwritten notes you cannot find. Arey Bhagwan. I will show it to you. Arey Sudarshan, circles. Parabola kila description la you might have found application of derivatives adukku pakkathula link. Direct irukadha. Poi number mobile number போட்டு login பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் download பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? போய் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல பாரு, நல்லா பாரு, அங்கதான் இருக்குடா. என்ன பண்றது தம்பி? ஹலோ சிண்டு. எஸ் சார். चलो next. Yes sir. Yes. Another beautiful question. Make it fast. Let me see how many of you doing this. Ready? Are you all done? Are you all done or not? Are you all done or not? Right? Are you all done with this? Are you all done with this? Guys, look at the board again. Length of latest rectum of ellipse vandu 30 given da. A greater than B. A greater than B enna sir? Horizontal ellipse sir. 100%. A greater than B na indha mari or ellipse varum. Okay va? LLR enna? Length of latest rectum, which is 2b square by a vandu 13 sir. Correct? Yes or no? Okay, yes or no? So 2b LLR vandu the formula. Yes or no? Sir, 16L registration. 6. Yes, Santosh. Sudarshan, please recheck it. I'll show it to you. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, sir. Now, see, LLR. What is LLR? 2b square by a is equal to 30 given. Correct? This is given to us. 2 ones, 2 15s. So b square is equal to 15a. Very simple, Rare. Tambi, yes or no? Yes, sir. Very simple, sir. Next, this is what the information we got. Fine. Now, if eccentricity of this ellipse is the maximum value of this function. Guys, this kind of questions are famous now. Okay, one function will be given to us. If the maximum value on the ellipse, I mean eccentricity. Guys, this one sir. This one quadratic value. Yes or no? F of t is one quadratic. quadratic ஓட maximum வேல்யூ எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், minimum வேல்யூ எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், புரியுதா? maximum வேல்யூ எப்படி பாரு, f of t, let me give a concept here, let me give that concept here, f of t வந்து என்ன minus t square plus 2t minus 3/4, கரெக்டா? இது f of t, இது ஒரு quadratic in terms of t. அப்போ a வேல்யூ என்ன சார், a is lesser than 0 here, a lesser than 0 means parabola will be downwards, parabola will be downwards. அப்போ what is the vertex of the parabola? What is the vertex of the parabola? This is the vertex of the parabola. Are you all understanding or not? Are you all understanding or not? Are you all understanding or not? Tell me. So what is this? Minus d by 4a or not? X coordinate is something, y coordinate is something. What is the maximum value of this? Are you all getting the point? Something comma something minus d by 4a. We need maximum value, which means y coordinate. Okay, tell me. Then how do we do further? Minus d by 4a is the maximum value. Are you all getting the point or not? Sir, answer. What is that? Answer comes out as 496. Wow. Very good, Sudarshan. Appo minus d enna sir. What is a value here? Tell me. So minus d by 4a. Minus d by 4a. What are you getting da? This ellipse da thambi. Sorry, eccentricity da thambi. This one the eccentricity da. This one the eccentricity. Arey Bhagwan, enna da idi? One nimisham. Trump tata enna da thambi? Okay, this eccentricity. Yes or no da? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, so minus d by 4a. Minus d means what, sir? See, minus d. D means what, sir? D square is equal to b square minus 4ac. So 4ac minus b square divided by 4a. Correct or not? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? What is 4a? A enna sir? What is a value, sir? Minus 1. C enna sir? Minus 3 by 4. Minus b square. B square means what, sir? Minus 2 square, which is 4, divided by 4 into minus 1. So this correct panana. So 4 will be cancelled. So 3 minus, so minus 7 by 4, minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4, which is 1 by 4. Yes or no? This one the eccentricity. Correct or not, Thambi? This one the eccentricity. Yes or no? This is eccentricity. Eccentricity formula enna sir? What is eccentricity formula for the horizontal ellipse? 1 minus b square by a square or not? Guys, I am writing the concepts here. LLR formula is eccentricity formula for horizontal ellipse vandidira. So E value enna 1 by 4 vandiruchu sir. Appo square root of 1 minus b square by a square is equal to 1 by 4 square. Squaring on both sides panikna what are we going to get? B square by a square is equal to 1 by 16 sir. Appo b square 15a potana varum 1 minus 15a by a square is equal to 1 by 16. Okay, a will be cancelled. So a minus, yes or no? A minus a minus 15 divided by 1 by 16. Correct or not? Divided by a. So 16a minus 15 into 16 how much da? 225. So 240. Correct or not? 150. Yes or no? 230. 150 plus 90, 240 only. Yes or no? 240. So tell me 15a. So 16a here. So careful up on. So 16a minus 240 is equal to 16. Yes or no? What is the a value of Thambi? What is the a value of Thambi? Guys, what is a here? A. Oh, I made a mistake here, guys. 1 minute now. I made a mistake here, I think. So 1 minus this a square minus b square, correct? Divided by a square is equal to 1 by 16. So first we simplify 16a square minus b square. B square is what? 16b square. 16b square means 16 into 15a is equal to 16 is equal to a square. Correct? Correct? Yes or no? Sir, 16. So 15a square. 15a square minus 240a. A is equal to 0. So 15 if you take common, 15a if you take common, a minus how much? A minus how much? A minus 20. A value cannot be 0, so 240 by 15. Yes or no? 15a you take common, or else a you take common. A வந்து 15a minus 240 sir is equal to 0 sir. இப்போ கரெக்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு, so a value 0 and a value 240 by 15 sir. A can be 0 here, can a be 0? No chance. So this is not possible sir. So this is the only possibility. 240 by இது. அப்போ a square by a square வந்துருச்சு sir. அப்போ a square வந்துருச்சு, b square என்ன sir? What is the a value? இது a value என்னடா? 16 ah. So a value is 16 basically. A is equal to 16. Okay da? 240 by 15 வந்து 16. அப்போ b square என்ன sir? B square value என்ன sir? What is b square then? B square is equal to 15 into, so 240. Yes or no? B square is equal to what da? 240. B square is equal to 240 or not, tell me? Are you all understanding or not? So 16 square வந்து 256. We need to find out a square plus b square sir. Good answer. So a square plus b square என்ன sir? So 256 plus 240, which is 96. 96 should be the last two digits. Yes or no? 496. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Did you all get the point, guys? Did you all get the point? Did you all get the point or not? Tell me. Did you all understand this? Fine. Yes, sir. Next question. Simple question only, but good question. Tell me. Very good. Sir, let each of the two ellipses, this and this, have eccentricity. Same eccentricity. Okay. Okay. Let two of these eccentricities are what by basically? Both are, see, E1 and E2 have the eccentricity 4 by 5. 4 by 5 they mean 4 by 5 missing here. 4 by 5 you should write down. 4 by 5 they have given. Eccentricity vandu 4 by 5 given. Correct ah? Yes or no? Yes sir. Now you takatak fatapat pananu. Make it fast. You all have to do it. Come on, make it fast. Tell me, what is the eccentricity value? Eccentricity of the ellipse 1. Okay, let's say E1 is the eccentricity 1, which is 4 by 5 sir. Apo what is E1 is 4 by 5. E1 is 4 by 5 is nothing but what? Distance between the foci also given. Check. And also length of lattice rectum of E1 and E2 basically denoted with what? L1 and L2 da. Distance between foci given, eccentricity given, length of lattice rectum of both ellipses given as L1 and L2 respectively, such that this condition is matching here. Okay. Distance between foci is 8. Ellipse 1 node distance between foci how much da? 2AE. So 2AE, which is 8. This cancel sir. So AE is equal to 4 sir. Okay. E1. Okay. AE1 is equal to 4 ah. Apo E1 is sir 4 by 5. A1 is what sir? I mean E1 is 4 by 5 is equal to 4. This cancel sir. Apo A is equal to 5 sir. 100% correct sir. Yes or no? If A is equal to 5 sir, what is B value is going to be sir? Takatak fatapat toladu. Make it fast. Okay wow. Apo we know that. What we know here? A is greater than B. A first E1 on the horizontal ellipse. Correct ah? Apo what we know here? What do we know here? What do we know? Tell me. What do we know, guys? We know that B square is equal to, எனக்கு E தெரியும் A தெரியும். B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. இது தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? Yes sir, we know that sir. So B square is equal to A square na 25 sir. 25 minus 1 minus 16 by 25 sir. So B square என்ன sir? So 9 by 25 ah. So 9 by 25 ah. So 9. Chuma 9 is the answer. B square என்ன sir? 9. B square is 9. Correct ah? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes sir. Ha. So what is LLR? Tell me. So L1 is LLR. L1 is equal to LLR of ellipse number 1. What is that? 2B square by A. So L1 is going to be what sir? 2B square by A. A is what? 5. So 18 by 5. L1 is 18 by 5. Yes or no da? L1 is 18 by 5. Are you all getting the point? Wonderful Anna. Yes or no da Chintu? Yes sir, we know this sir. We got this sir. Now ipo pathina correct ah pari. Takatak fatapat pananu. Okay va? Yes or no? Yes. Now E2 pathina E2 பாத்தீங்கன்னா E2 வந்து x square by capital A square y square by capital B square. A is lesser than B. Wah anna wah. A lesser than B means what, sir? Vertical ellipse. Hello Chintu, here E1 is basically horizontal ellipse, E2 is basically what, vertical ellipse. இந்த மாதிரி புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Yes sir. Now இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா see both E2 என்னடா, eccentricity 2 is basically 4 by 5 only given. E2 means, guys, small e2 means eccentricity of the second ellipse. Okay wow. Small e1 means eccentricity of the first ellipse. Okay wow. What is E2 da? So 2a square by b dana. Sorry, not a E2. E2 means what da? 4 by 5 given. Length of lattice vector is L2. Correct? Length of lattice vector is E2. So now tell me here, what is the formula for this? What is the formula for this? E2, which is nothing but square root of 1 minus a square by b square is equal to 4 by 5. Do you agree with my point? Do you all agree with my point? Do you all agree with my point or not? Tell me, guys. Guys, eccentricity of the horizontal ellipse will be square root of 1 minus b square by a square. Concept. Eccentricity of vertical ellipse will be 1 minus a square by b square. You need to remember the formula directly now. Horizontal ellipse oda eccentricity idu, vertical ellipse oda eccentricity formula vandidi. So in the formula is equal to 4 by 5. Squaring on both sides panni paare. So 1 minus a square by b square is equal to 16 by 25 sir. 16 by 25 sir. Correct or not? Appo a square by b square enna sir? A square by b square is equal to what sir? A square by b square is equal to 9 by 25 sir. 9 by 25 sir. This is relation with it. Yes or no? 9 by 25. Are you all understanding or not? Are you all understanding or not? Yes sir. Sir, இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா a square என்ன sir? 9 times of b square by 25. Correct? 9 times of b square by 25. Yes or no? Yes sir. Now இப்போ பாரு. Hello. Yes sir. இது வேணாம் sir. ஆல்ரெடி எனக்கு முடிஞ்சு. ஓகேவா? So next என்ன L2 given. L2 என்ன LLR. L2 என்ன LLR of L2 என்னடா LLR of the ellipse 2, which is 2a square by b. 2a square by b. Okay wow. So what is L2 now? Tell me, what is L2 now? 2a square. A square means what da? 2a square means what da? 2 by 25. 2 by 25. A square is what? 9 times of b square by 25. Yes or no? Which is into b. So b cancel arum. Yes or no? b cancel arum. So LLR is what? 18 by 25. 18 by 25. 18 by 25 into b is L2. Do you agree with my point? Do you agree with my point or not? Tell me. 18 by 25 into b. Yes or no? B? Yes or no? Either எனக்கு இந்த ரிலேஷன் வந்துருச்சுடா. எனக்கு இந்த ரிலேஷன் வந்துருச்சுடா சிண்டு. எனக்கு இந்த ரிலேஷன் வந்துருச்சுடா சிண்டு. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Can you all see the board? Yes sir. Now இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க பாரு. They have given the condition என்ன? Given what they have given? Look. Given that, can you all see the board? Yes sir. Okay, let me draw it. Okay? Yes sir. இப்போ பாரு. Given what they have given da? So 2L2 square is equal to 9 times of L2. So 2L1 square da. 2L1 square is equal to 9L2. 2 into L1 square. L1 square means what da? L1 square means what? 18 by 5 whole square is equal to 9 times of L2. L2 9 now. 18 by 25. 18 by 25 into by. Okay. So இது கரெக்டா calculate பண்ணி பாரு. இப்போ கேக்குதா? என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? 1 minute. இப்போ கேக்குதா வாய்ஸ்? எஸ் எஸ் எஸ். ஓகேவா? எஸ் சார். Now இப்போ பாரு, so b value I'm getting it as 4 da. B value I'm getting capital B, sorry, capital B. Okay guys, capital B, in terms of capital B you should write direct. In terms of capital B you should write. This capital B okay, this capital A square and B. Okay wow. So this capital B, in terms of capital B we should write. In terms of capital B we should write. Okay wow. In terms of capital B we should write Ratan B. In terms of capital B. Appo B value capital B is equal to 4 sir. Capital B is 4. Capital B 4 na. Capital B 4 na. Ingayum capital A square da. Okay wow. Okay guys, look, I wrote it by mistakenly. Capital A square is B square. Okay wow. The capital B square and A square. Okay, yes sir, correct. A capital A square here, please write it as a capital A square. Capital A square, everything is caps, everything is caps. Okay, okay, yes sir. Now ipo pathina B value 4 sir. So B value 4 na, B value 4 na, A value na sir. What is A value from this? Tell me A value na sir. So A square is going to be 9 times of 16 divided by 25. Okay wow. So A is going to be 12 by 5 sir. Capital A is going to be 12 by 5. Capital A is going to be 12 by 5. Capital A is going to be what sir? 12 by 5. Correct? What they are asking us to find out the distance between foci is, then the distance between the foci of E to N. Distance between the foci of E to N. So distance between foci anada 2 capital B idana, 2 capital B idana is equal to what? We need to find out 2 capital B E. Yes or no? Do you agree with my point? 2 capital B E we need to find out. 2 capital B, B N sir 4, E to N sir, capital E to N is 4 by 5 sir. 4 by 5 we already have that. Okay, so 32 divided by 5 is the answer, final answer. Guys, I wrote it everything in one frame so that everybody can see that clearly. Any doubt? Tell me. 32 by 5 is the answer. 32 by 5. 32 by 5 ingirikida D for Delhi Baba. Okay wow. Yes sir. Next question bola ma. Shall we move forward? Okay, next. Careful ah panano. See, guys, questions will be very simple da. Questions will be very simple. Everything he himself given da. Avarada everything like Babu, you take this Babu and solve it. Every information he himself given to us. Namalku enna theriyano? Simple and the Jadagam table, hyperbola oda details, ellipse oda details, I should know that. Everything he himself given that. Everything, every data, every inch avarada kuduthirukanga da. Okay va? So basically enna panano, you need to know all the formulas. If you know all the formulas, neatly, you can be able to do this very easily. Okay va? Right? Do you agree with my point? Yes or no? That's great. Next question. Next question. Sorry. Guys, koncham interesting concept. This one koncham interesting concept. You pathina pari, the point of intersection of two ellipses, this and this, lie on a circle of radius r and center this, then the value of this. Very good question. See, point of intersection of two curves basically. To point of intersection of two ellipses. See, point of intersection of two curves basically what? This comes under family of circles, family of curves. Okay, family of circles or family of curves. Let me say these are the two curves given to us. Point of intersection of these two curves is about these two green colored dots. Okay, wow. So through this green color dot, infinite number of curves can pass through. Correct or not? Infinite number of curves can pass through like this. Curves can pass through like this, like this, like this. Like family of curves mari. Family of curves mari. Family of curves eppadi sir edanu? Yes, yes, Sanjit, it is uploaded. Please check. Family of cows, how do you write down? We will write cow number 1 plus lambda times of cow number 2 is equal to 0. எப்படி தான் எழுதணும்? Family of cows concept. Yes or no? Yes, that's great. Family of cows, எப்படி? Cow number 1 plus cow number 2. Lambda times of cow number 2. Yes or no, Thambi? Do you agree with my point or not? Tell me. Let's say the S1 da. Let us say this S1 da. S1. This cow name enna? Your name and your name enna? This one the S1. This one the S1. Let us say this guy name is what? S1. Okay. This is S1. Let us say your name enna? Your name enna? Your name. Let's say S2. Okay, ba? S2. Now tell me, guys. So family of point of intersection of the curve which passes through the point of intersection of these two curves will be what? This. Okay, wow. Solve this two. What I'm gonna write? Tell me. Takatak panadare. Takatak panadare. So x square plus 2y square minus 6x minus 12y plus 23 plus lambda times of s2 enna 4x square plus 2y square minus 20x minus 12y plus 35 is equal to 0, sir. Okay, wow. So this correct pani pare. X square family you write outside. So x square family you write it outside. So 1 plus 4 lambda into x square. Y square family you write outside. 2 plus 2 lambda is equal to y square. Yes or no da? Next then sir x family right outside. X family na x family minus 6x minus 20 minus right minus 6 minus 20 lambda into x. What is y family? What is y family? Minus 12 minus 12 minus 12 lambda. Okay, so this into y family. Yes or no da? This y family. Yes or no da tambi? Next constant family na sir plus 23 plus 35 lambda. 35 lambda is equal to 0. Any doubt? Tell me. Yes or no? Guys, the last. Yes, guys. Please check Sanjit. Parabola also might have been uploaded. Please check. Parabola is also uploaded. Thambi. Did you check this or not? It's uploaded, Prabhu. It's uploaded. It's uploaded in the chart link. I just checked it. இப்போதான் நான் செக் பண்ணிட்டேடா. இது ஆல்ரெடி செக் I mean already pinned in the chart box, and the notes parabola notes is already pinned in the chart box. Okay, so this represents what? This represents what? So the family of curve which passes through the point of intersection of these two ellipses. Let's say either ellipse da. Okay, wow. Through this point of intersection, there are infinite number of ellipses passing. Okay, so that ellipse equation is this. Okay, that curve lies on what? Basically the point of intersection of these two ellipses lie on a circle. This point of intersection of these two curves lie on what? Basically circle da. Okay, wow. So this represents circle or not? Tell me. Since it is representing circle, circle ku condition enna? Coefficient of x square should be equal to coefficient of y square. Then circle equation. இப்போ this circle வேணும்னா இப்போ to represent this as a circle equation அப்போ என்னடா பண்றது சொல்லு. அப்போ coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square தான, அதுதான மெயின் கண்டிஷன் ஆஃப் சர்க்கிள். ஓகே, அப்போ என்ன வரும்? so 1 plus ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல் ஆகணும். ஓகே, so 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 2 plus 2 lambda. so 2 lambda is equal to minus 1 sorry. Oh my god, 1 minute. Okay, so 2 lambda is equal to what? 1. Lambda is equal to 1 by 2, sir. Lambda is equal to 1 by 2 or not? Tell me. Lambda value 1 by 2 pota in the star equation. Let us say this as a star equation. In the equation name is sir star equation. In the star equation the lambda value pota, what I am going to get? Tell me. In the star equation the lambda value pota, what I am going to get? So in the star equation if I put the lambda value, what I am going to get? From the star equation, tell me. Lambda value 1 by 2 means 2 plus 1 3x square. So 2 plus 1 3y square minus 20 half in minus 10. So minus 16x. Okay, minus 18y minus 18y, 35 lambda here, 35 lambda, 35 lambda. Okay, so next 35 by 2 plus 23, 46 plus 35, 46 plus 35, how much? 46 plus 35, 81. Yes or no? 81 by 2, 81 divided by 2 is equal to 0. This represents circle da. Okay, wow. This represents circle. So circle represent pandrathu we need to take 3 common. Okay, wow. We need to make coefficient of x square and y as same. Correct or not, Babu? Dividing with 3 on both sides. So the 81 by 6 will come. Okay. What is center of this? What is center? Center is what? 8 by 3 comma 8 by 3 comma 3. Correct or not? 8 by 3 comma 3. Correct or not? 8 by 3 comma 3 or not? Center, tell me. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Wonderful. Now radius, and what is radius? What is radius? Square root of 64 by 9 plus 9 minus the constant 81 by 6. இப்போ இப்படி பண்ணா என்ன வரும் பாரு. கரெக்ட்டா பண்ணணும். LCM என்ன சார்? 18. 18 is LCM. So 128 18 9s 162 minus 3 243 divided by 18. So radius என்ன வரும் சார்? So 128 plus 162 how much da? So 280 290 290 290 minus 43 243 how much da? 290 minus 43 means 47. Root 47 by 18. Root 47 by 18. Correct up or yes or no? This is my radius. Okay. Center is a comma b here. This represents what? A comma b. Center represents what? A comma b. AB venu. So we need AB plus 18 r square. A enna sir? 8 by 3 sir. B enna sir? 3 sir. So 18 into r square. R square enna sir? 47 by 18 sir. 1 nava. Mudinchirade chintu. Yes sir. 55 is the answer. 55 is the answer sir. Wonderful ra chintu. C for chintu was the answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? Ellarkum purida? That's great. Sanjit, very good Sanjit. Very good Sudarshan. Kritik, very good Kritik. Yes. Karthik, yes Karthik. No. S1 minus எப்படி பண்ணக்கூடாது. S1 minus S2 கிடையாது. S1 plus lambda S2 is equal to 0. This is what represents a family of curves மாதிரி. Yes or no? So that is represents circle that passes through the circle in fact. And the point of intersection of these two ellipses is passing through the ellipse. Circle. Okay. For circle venuna, point of intersection of these two curves represents what basically? Point of intersection of these two curves lie on the circle. Sorry. Okay. Appo in circle na coefficient of x square y square should be equal. Yes or no? Yes. Appo lambda value 1 by 2 vandiruchu. Lambda value 1 by 2 no from the star equation enakku enna varudhu? Circle equation ipdi vandiruchu. Okay va? Adala center 8 by 3 comma 3. Radius ipdi vandiruchu. AB plus 18 r square vandu 55 will come. Correct ah? Any doubts? Any doubts? Great. Next question polama? Yes sir. Sorry. Guys, this is also a beautiful question. Beautiful question. This is also a beautiful question. Tell me, how do you do this? Let S and S dash be the foci of this ellipse. P, alpha comma beta be a point of the ellipse in the first quadrant. Okay. SP square plus S dash P square minus SP into S dash P is equal to 37. Then alpha square plus beta square. Okay. Alpha square plus beta square. Sir, fine. Nalla irukku. Appo A is greater than B or not here? A is greater than B. So horizontal ellipse only. Okay. This is the directrix. This is another directrix. Let's say the M1. This one the M2. Okay, wow. And there is a point called P on the ellipse in the first quadrant, which is alpha comma beta. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? This one the, let's say this one the S1. Yes. இது S dash. Correct or not? They are representing foci with what? S and S dash. So இது. Tell me. You all have to tell me now. What is PS by here? What is PS? PS is equal to what? E into PM1. Do you agree with my point? PS is equal to E into PM1 or not? Definition of the ellipse, the distance of this particular point from the focus will be equal to what? I mean, the ratio of the distances PS by PM is equal to eccentricity. Definition of the conic. Okay, wow. Appo eccentricity will be less than 1 in the ellipse. That is a different story. But PS by PM1 is equal to E. So PS can be written as E into PM. PM1 as per the definition. Appo PM1 enna? What is PM1 here? PM1 enna? Idana sir? What is this? X is equal to this. X is equal to A by E or not? Tell me. X is equal to A by E. So it is A by E minus alpha. Minus alpha. Minus alpha. Do you agree with my point? Do you agree with my point or not? Yes or no, people? Tell me. A by E minus alpha or not? Tell me. Chintu. Yes, sir. இப்போ கரெக்டா பார்த்தா PS will be equal to what, sir? A minus E alpha. This is what the PS. This is what the PS. Do you agree? Yes or no? Similarly உனக்கு இப்போ PS dash வேணும்னா PS dash வேணும்னா என்ன? PS dash வேணும்னா எப்படி? Tell me. Similarly PS dash என்ன? Similarly என்னடா ஆச்சு இது? Why it is writing like this? Oh, இந்த கலர் இது. Okay. Similarly PS dash is going to be what? E into PM2. E into PM2. Correct concept pare. PS dash is going to be what? E into PM2. E into PM2 means what? A by E plus alpha. Yes or no? A by E plus alpha. Yes or no? Alpha plus A by E. So if you do that properly, PS dash will be equal to what? Can you all see this? Let us write directly, na? A plus. Are babu, PS dash will be what? PS dash will be similarly A minus E alpha. Appo idu enna irunda? Idu A plus E alpha. That's it. A plus E alpha. A plus E alpha. Do you agree with my point? எனக்கு PS dash வந்துருச்சு, PS வந்துருச்சு. Yes or no? Now we'll come back here. We'll come back to this. Now we'll come back to this. They have given this. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Foci of the ellipse is S and S dash. அப்போ eccentricity தெரியாது. What is eccentricity of the ellipse now? Eccentricity of the ellipse now? I have eccentricity here, right? What is eccentricity of this? இது வந்து horizontal ellipse. Horizontal ellipse ஓட eccentricity formula என்ன? B square by A square. Correct or not? Yes, sir. இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா எப்படி வரும் பாரு 1 minus B square 9 by 25. இப்போ E value என்ன சார் 4 by 5 ஆ? E value is 4 by 5, sir. That's great. E value is 4 by 5. Do you agree with my point? Do you agree with my point, Rachintu? Yes or no? Tell me. Do you agree with my point or not? Tell me, Rari. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So E value 4 by 5 வந்துருச்சு sir. So E value 4 by 5 வந்துருச்சு. Okay. Next point என்ன sir? Next point என்ன sir? Next point எதுமே வேணா. But next point என்ன? We will go with what? We'll go with what? SP square plus S dash P square. Can I write this, guys? Tell me. Guys, இது வந்து A square plus B square மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்லையா? A square plus B square மாதிரி. Can I write this as AP A plus B whole square minus 2 times of SP into S dash P, 2 times of SP into A dash P minus 1 time of SP into S dash P is equal to 37. Do you agree with my point? Guys, A square plus B square I am writing it as A plus B whole square minus 2AB, and this one as it is, this one as it is. Cool? Yes, sir. இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா கரெக்டா பாரு இது என்ன சார்? From this SP plus S dash P minus 3 times of SP plus S dash P is equal to 37. Guys, here SP plus S dash, we know that SP plus S dash B is equal to 2 times of A. This is an alternative definition of ellipse for it. SP plus S dash P distance will be what? Equal to 2A, sir. Apo SP plus S dash P is equal to 2A. 2 into A is 10. A is 5, which is 2A is 10. Yes or no, Thambi? Do you agree with my point? Yes, sir. SP plus S dash P is equal to 10 I got. Now, inga port varum. This whole square we have, right? Whole square. So, this will be what? The 100. 100 minus 37 is equal to 3 times of SP plus S dash P. Okay. This is 63 is equal to 3 times of SP into S dash P. Right? Yes or no, people tell me? 3 ones, 3 21s. 3 ones, 3 21s. Are you all listening the class? Are you all listening the class? Yes. Apo SP into S dash P. SP into S dash P is equal to 21 I got, sir. Apo SP into SP dash, what is that? SP into SP dash is what? A plus B into A minus B bar. SP anna? SP anna? A minus E alpha. This one the A plus E alpha is equal to 21. So A square minus E square alpha square or not? E square alpha square or not? Is equal to 21. A square and R 25, sir. E square and R 16 by 25 into alpha square is equal to 21. Okay, so 4 is equal to 16 by 25 alpha square. Yes or no? So alpha square is equal to what, sir? 25 by 4. Alpha square is what? 25 by 4. Alpha square is what? 25 by 4. Okay, we need beta square. Beta square and a yes or no? Settle me. P point lies on this ellipse. P point lies on the ellipse. So beta value can you tell me? How do you find out beta value? Tell me. The B, guys, how do you find out beta value? Tell me, guys. I want everybody to answer, please. I want everybody to answer this. Okay, how do you find out beta value? How do you find out beta value? Okay, P lies on the ellipse. On the ellipse. P lies on the ellipse. Okay, so sir, alpha square by 25 plus beta square by 9 is equal to 1. Alpha square 25 by 4. 25 by 4. So 25 by 100. Okay, so beta square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay, tell me. Alpha square 25 by 4. Correct or not? Tell me. Do you agree with my point? What is the beta value? Tell me. Alpha square by 25. Now alpha square is 25 by 4. Okay. Tell me any doubts. So beta square, and what is beta square? 27 by 4. This is 1 by 4. So beta square will be 1 minus 1 by 4. So 3 by 4. So beta square is what? 27 by 4. Correct or not? Everything is correct. Please check. The calculation currently check panado. Alpha square beta square, I got it. So alpha square plus beta square is what now? Tell me. Alpha square plus beta square is what? 25 by 4 plus 52 by 4. So 52 by 4 means 13 will be the answer. Yes or no? A for Ahmedabad is the right answer, guys. Alpha square plus beta square, how much da? 52 by 4. 52 divided by 4, which is equal to 13. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Any doubts? Very, very good question. Very good, Harshita. Very good, Kritik. Very good, Sudarshan. Very good, Pranay. Very good, Rishwik. Yes. That's great. Next. Another beautiful question. Another fantabulous question. Do this. What is this concept name? Tell me. So, let the ellipse this pass through the center of the circle this. Okay, sir. Of radius r. F1 and F2 be the focal distances of the point C on the ellipse. Then 6 F1 F2 minus r n r. Make it fast. Sir, you checked 2 times but you not uploaded. Tell me. Sanjit is saying something. I've checked. Arey Babu, leave that. I'll tell you that. Wait. That I leave that. Leave that. I'll tell you it. Please look at this. Arey Bhagwan. Sanjit Babu. Arey yaar. It is there, no? Already. Check. Yes or no? Right. Sanjit is saying something. Sir, in comments showing formula notes. Sanjit, I'll check it later, Sanjit. It should have been uploaded. Wait, I'll tell you that. Please look at this. Yes, that is a formula notes they have uploaded, not class notes. I'll tell them to change that. I'll tell them to change that. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Tell me ellipse now. This ellipse. What type of ellipse is this now? Tell me x square by 3. X square by 1 by 3. Yes or no? Or x square first you divide with 4 on both sides. Okay. So x square divided by 4 by 3 plus y square divided by 4 by p is equal to 1. Yes or no? Cool. Do you agree with my point? Yes, sir. So now we need to, this is passed through what? This is passing through what? The center of the circle. So this passes through center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? What is center of the circle? Da? So -1 comma. This is -2x actually. Minus is missing here. This should be -2x. -2x. Okay. -2x. Upon 1 comma 2 will be the center. So center, put it over here. So 1 by 4 by 3 plus 4 by 4 by p is equal to 1. So 3 by 4 plus p is equal to 1. So p is equal to what, sir? So 1 by 4. P is equal to what? 1 by 4. P is equal to 1 by 4 is the answer. Yes or no? If P is equal to 1 by 4 means what is B value? Da? B value. Na? Then B square is equal to what? Da? 1 by 4 means 16. Check P value 1 by 4. What is 16 B square value? Yes or no? Yes or no? Great. So tell me what is the ellipse is going to be now? Tell me. Upon x square by 4 by 3 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. Obviously this is a less than b. So vertical ellipse. I'm talking about what type of ellipse? Da? We are talking about vertical ellipse here. We are talking about vertical ellipse. Chintu, Puridara, Chintu. Everybody please focus. Everybody please focus. Yes sir. Ipo vertical ellipse in the mari. Yes or no? That's great. Look, the x-axis. Now there is a point called C here. Point called C and now center 1, 2. Focal distances they are talking about. Focal distances mean this. This is F1 da. This is S1. This is S2. Focal distances means what da? Point, I mean any point on the ellipse. And the point to S1 distance is focal distance number 1. In the point to focus to distance. In the point to focus number 2 distance is F2. Yes or no? Tell me guys. Do you agree with my point? How do you find out? How do you find out? These are the directrices. The directrix will be here. Directrix will be here. Do you all agree with my point? Do you all agree with my point or not? Tell me guys. Okay. So what is CS1? Tell me. What is C to S1? F1 is nothing but CS1. CS1 distance is what? CS1 is equal to CM1. This is M1. Directrix number 1. This is M2. Directrix number 2. Okay. In the CS1 is equal to CM1. CM1 is what basically total distance is what now? The total distance is B by E. Do you agree? So B by E minus Y coordinate. Yes or no? E into B by E minus Y coordinate. Be careful here. So this is equal to what? B minus 2E. Similarly, F2 you do. CS2 will come. What is CS2? C to S distance is what? CS2 will be what? CS2 will be what? CS2 will be what? Tell me. In the Y coordinate 2 plus B by E. Do you agree with my point or not? This total is B by E again. 2 plus eccentricity is what? B by E plus 2 plus B by E. So B plus 2E. Yes or no? B plus 2E. Yes or no? Tambi? This proves that CS1 is C to S1 distance. CS1 distance is what? CM1. CM1 means what basically? Here CS1 is equal to CM1 CM1 means what? C to M1 distance how much? CM1 distance how much? The distance is how much? How do you find out this distance? CM1 distance eppadi kandipidikiradhu? CM1 distance eppadi kandipidikiradhu? So total B by E la the Y coordinate subtract pannu. B by E minus 2. So CS2 enna CM2. That is equal to the Y coordinate plus B by E. So that is what I have taken here. Hope you all are getting the point. Yes or no? Nano appadina kadiyadu gano. Yes or no? Yes sir. Sir, now tell me here what I need here. F1 F2 I got. So F1 F2 I got now. So what is F1 F2? Tell me. So F1 F2 is what? Tell me guys. F1 F2 is what here? What is F1 F2? What is F1 F2? Tell me. In fact, this is what F1. F1 F2 is equal to B square minus 4E square. B square minus 4E square. B square is 16 sir. E value is sir. What is eccentricity? Eccentricity will try to find out here. Eccentricity will be what? What is eccentricity? Tell me. Eccentricity will be square root of 1 minus A square by B square. Appo eccentricity enna? Horizontal, I mean vertical ellipse or eccentricity in the formula dana. So 1 minus B square. So A square by B square. Tell me. So 16 by 144. So 1 by 9. So 8 by 9. Yes or no? Eccentricity is what? B. Eccentricity is what? Tell me here. 1 minus 16 by 9 into 16. 1 minute. Yes or no? Tell me. So F1 F2 is equal to what? B square minus 4E square. What is eccentricity? Tell me. Do you agree with my point? A by B whole square. Yes or no? Tambi? (16 by 9 by B square). B square means what? 16 square. So What is the answer here? Let me write konjam neatly da. I think it is konjam clumsy here. Okay, what is the eccentricity of this ellipse? Tell me. What is the eccentricity of the ellipse? Let me write konjam in a bigger size. Let me write eccentricity here. What is eccentricity? Tell me. 1 minus a square by b square. Yes or no? Yes or no? 1 minus a square by b square. So a square and sir, the a square rate. So 4 by 3 minus by 60. So 4 by 48. So 11 by 12. 11 by 12 or not at B. Do you agree with my point? Do you agree with my point? Yes sir, it is eccentricity. Now check here, b square I got it. What is b square sir? B square is basically 16. A square is basically 4 by 3. B square is equal to what? 16 minus 4 into E square. E square is what basically? What is E square? Okay, so 16 minus 4 ones 4 threes. So 37 by 3. Check. 48 minus 11. 37 by 3. This is F1, F2. F1, F2. Yes or no? What is the radius? Radius of the circle is what? What is the radius of the circle? Tell me. Radius of the circle is basically, let me write here. So 4 plus, center of the circle is 1, 2. So 4 plus, not 4, sorry. 1 plus 4 plus 11. So 16, which is 4. So finally, tell me 6 F1 F2 minus R is going to be what? 6 times of 37 by 3 minus R. Radius is what here? What is radius? What is the radius? 4. 3 ones, 3 twos. So 74. So 70 is answer. Answer is what? 70. 70 is answer. C for Chintu is the right answer. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? C for Chintu is the right answer. Are you all getting the point? Great. C for Chintu is the right answer. Very good question. Next question bolama. Yes sir. Do this. Did you all get the answer? In the previous question the answer vandircha? Yes sir. Previous question answer vandircha illiyada? Purida ellarkum? Kamesh chance irukda. Kamesh konjam chance irukku, but and the 93 you make it as 95 da. Okay va? ஒரு 2-3 questions நீங்க extra solve பண்ணி 95 இப்போ போட்டா chance இருக்கு. I think you have to wait till 6th round so that you might get a 93. Okay va? உங்களுக்கு கேட்டகரி இருக்கு. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? 93% வெயிட் பண்ணணும். கரெக்டாக சொல்ல முடியாது, கட் ஆஃப் எப்படி இருக்கும் தெரியாது. ஸோ யூ மேக் இட் ஆஸ் 95-96% கண்டிப்பாக 93 ஏதோ ஒரு பிரான்ச் கிடைக்கலாம். ஏதோ ஒரு பிரான்ச் கண்டிப்பாக கிடைக்கும்டா கமேஷ். எஸ். ஸோ இந்த A eccentricity E is this. Capital E is representing what? Ellipse. Hyperbola is this. Okay. Have same foci. E and L represents eccentricity and length of lattice rectangle of the hyperbola. Then 24 plus E plus L. Guys, see eccentricity. I mean, ellipse oda eccentricity, not eccentricity guys. Ellipse oda foci and hyperbola oda foci both are same. இப்போ இது ரெண்டுமே confocal என்ன? இவரோட foci தான் இவரோட foci. ரெண்டுமே மேட்ச் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. அப்போ we'll find out the foci of the ellipse. We'll find out the foci of the ellipse. Correct? What is the foci of the ellipse? The A value is what? 12. B value is what? 13. Foci enna sir? What is the foci? S is equal to AE, 0. So firstly we need to find out eccentricity. Eccentricity is what? Horizontal ellipse or vertical ellipse. Here A is lesser than B, so vertical ellipse. So eccentricity formula is 1 minus A square by B square. So square root of 1 minus A square. A square is what? 144 divided by 169. So 5 by 13. You agree? 5 by 13. Apo eccentricity foci is what? So AE, 0. So A na 12. So 60 by 13 AE, 0 kadiyadu. 0, B, sorry. Because this is a vertical ellipse, na? Vertical ellipse vertical ellipse of foci will be what? 0, b. 0, b means 0, b into e. 0, 5. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Appo this is the foci of the ellipse. This is equal to foci of the hyperbola. Yes or no? This is the foci of the ellipse. Is it? I mean, this foci of the ellipse is what foci of the hyperbola. Adha kuduthirukanga. So, yes or no? Yes, sir. Appo pathina, we'll try to find out the lambda value of the hyperbola. So tell me, yes, foci of this. So foci of the hyperbola is what basically 0, b idana. So b enna ra chintu. So this is basically vertical ellipse. So this is what vertical hyperbola or not, which means conjugate hyperbola. X square by a square is equal to y square by b square. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. So vertical hyperbola irukku. Vertical hyperbola ku enna foci? Tell me. 0, b idana. So b is equal to 4. B is equal to 5 or not? So we know that for hyperbola condition enna? A square is equal to b square into e square minus 1. For hyperbola, for vertical hyperbola, I mean conjugate hyperbola in the condition. In the hyperbola condition enna solanu. A square is equal to b square into a square is equal to b square into e square minus 1 dara? Yes or no? That is what I wrote here. எனக்கு a value தெரியும். A value என்ன a square என்ன 16. b square தெரியாது. e square என்ன இப்படி எழுத கூடாது. You will write like this. A square is 16. B square is what? 5 square minus b square. Appo b square is equal to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 16 which is 9. Yes or no? Yes or no? So b square is 9. So b value is 3. B square is equal to 9. Purida ellarkum. Are you getting the point or not, Babu? Tell me. Hello people. B square is 9 is nothing but basically lambda is 9 here. Lambda is 9. Yes or no? Lambda square is 9. Do you agree with my point or not? Tell me. Do you all agree with my point? Hello guys. Yes or no? Appo eccentricity enna sir? Eccentricity of the hyperbola enna? Eccentricity of the hyperbola enna? 1 plus a square by b square. So 1 plus a square. A square enna sir? A square is 16. B square is 9. So 5 by 3. This is the hyperbola oda eccentricity. Ellarkum purida idi? Ellarkum purida? What I need to find out, sir? E represent the eccentricity of the hyperbola and L, capital L is what? LLR. LLR of the hyperbola. LLR of the hyperbola, which is 2a square by b, sir. Which is 2a square. A square enna sir? 16. B enna sir? 4. B enna 4. 2a square. B enna 3, sorry. So tell me. So 32 by 3. 32 by 3. What I need to find out? 24 times of E plus capital L. So 24 times of E enna sir? E oda hyperbola oda E. 5 by 3 plus L enna? 32 by 3. Correct? So tell me. So 3 8s. 8 into 37. So unit digit should be 6. Unit digit should be 6. Oh my god. So 296 the answer. 296. Because 3 into 8 240. 240 மேல தான் ஆன்சர் இருக்கணும். 240 மேல ஆப்ஷன் ஏ தான் இருக்கு. யூனிட் டிஜிட் 6 இருக்கணும், 240 மேல இருக்கணும். அப்ப ஆப்ஷன் ஏ. ஆப்ஷன் பி வராது கண்டிப்பா. Any doubts? Any doubts na Chintu? Yes or no? 296. 240 plus 56 296. Correct only. Yes or no? Yes sir. இது புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Did you all get the point? Any doubts here? I am hiding the board. Please check. Next polama. Yes or no? Yes. That's great. Next. Yes, Sanjit, you are right. Rashmik, very good. Let the domain of the function. This is also 26 ready. Domain of the function. be the interval m comma n. Let the hyperbola is this, eccentricity of the hyperbola n by 3. Then the length of the lattice rectum is this. Then b square minus a square n. Then b square minus a square n. Tell me guys, how do we do this? How do we start? How do you start? Guys, domain of this function. You tell me now. Domain of this function is nothing but log of this. Correct or not? So log kulla irundame. See, log kulla irukka term ellame adu positive irukkum. Yes or no? Guys, we all know this. Log of something. Log of this chintu. Chintu should be always positive. Chintu should be always positive. Log kulla irukka chintu வந்து positive இருக்கணும். அதுதான் log ஓட basic property. Yes or no டா? Yes or no? Yes sir. இப்போ இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு. I'll write somewhere here. So log of chintu should be always positive. Right? அப்ப அப்படி பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு log குள்ள log first log வெளிய. See, first you need to check the outermost log குள்ள இதுதானே இருக்கு. outermost log குள்ள அதுதானே இருக்கு. அப்போ இந்த black color highlighted part, and the black color highlighted part should be greater than 0. Basic point. இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா log base 5 log base 7 of x, I mean 9x minus x square minus 13 should be greater than 0. So tell me here. So log base 7 9x minus x square minus 13. Okay, here, so we all know this. Log x base a is equal to b means what? X is equal to a to the power of b or not? X is equal to a to the power of b or not? Tell me. So this kind of basic properties are very important for logarithmic. Okay, so tell me here 5 to the power of 0, which is greater than 1. Tell me upon 9x minus x square minus greater than 3, 7 to the power of, which is 7. So 9x square minus x square minus 20 greater than 0. So if I take x square common, I mean minus common, if I take minus common, what happens here? Wait, 1 minute watching to. Oh my god, என்னடா இது இப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கே. Okay, so x square minus lesser than 0. So what is this? If I factorize this, what I'm going to get? If I factorize this, what I'm going to get? Tell me. So 4 to 5 4 to 5 x minus 4 x minus 5 lesser than 0. Correct or not? So 𝑉𝐵 method apply panna 4 5 plus minus plus. So when x belongs to what here? 4 comma 5. X or no? 4 comma 5. Correct or not? This is equal to m comma n interval. This is equal to m comma n interval. So m value is what now? Tell me. M value is 4, n value is 5. Any doubt? M value is 4, n value is 5. Do you all agree with my point? If you check this. Now you check this. So let hyperbola is this. Having eccentricity is this. Eccentricity formula is what? Eccentricity formula now. What is eccentricity formula? Square root of 1 plus eccentricity of the hyperbola square root of 1 plus b square by a square is equal to n by 3 given. Yes or no? N by 3 means what? N value now 5. So 5 by 3. N by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. So 5 by 3. So squaring on both sides. Do you all agree with my point? 25 by 9. So b square by a square is equal to what? So 16 by 9. So 16 by 9. Yes or no? B square by a square is equal to 16 by 9. Right? Yes sir. Okay. Lattice rectum. So b square is equal to what? 16a square by 9. Right? 16a square by 9. Now if you length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is what? 2b square by a LLR is equal to what? 8m by 3. 8m by 3 means what, sir? 8m by 3 means what? 8 into m. M is what? M is what? 4. 4 by 3. Correct? So b square value is what? 16a square by 9a is equal to 8 4 into 3, right? Please check this carefully. 8 ones, 8 twos, 4 4 cancel, 3 ones, 3 threes, a cancel. So what I'll be getting? What I'll be getting? Tell me. Male or a irukku? A value 3 I'm getting. I'm getting a value 3. Tell me. I'm getting a value 3. I'm getting a value 3 da. Yes or no? Then they are asking b square minus a square. Appo b square and a value 3 means b square is what? Tell me. What is b square then? B square is equal to 16 then. Okay. Appo b square minus a square is what? B square minus a square 16 minus 9, which is 7. 7 is the answer. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, Sanjit. Very good, Rashmi. Tell me any doubts here, guys. Do you have any doubts here? Do you have any doubts? Next question polama. Next question polama. Yes, sir. Yes. Good question again. P be a point on the hyperbola whose foci are S and S dash. If the length of the lattice rectum is 8, the square of the area of the triangle PSS dash is equal to dash. Another beautiful question da. Tell me the answer. You all have to answer this takatak fatafat fatafat. You all have to answer this takatak fatafat fatafat. This point P lies on the what da? Hyperbola. Tell me. Point P lies on the hyperbola is nothing but point P in the podlama. In the point P substitute paniklama. So 10 square by a square plus 450 60 by b square is equal to 1. Correct or not? Point P lies on the hyperbola na. In the point P la substitute panna mudiyuma? Panikla. So appadi panna ipdi vandiruchu. Next enna? Length of lattice rectum vandu enna? 8 given. So length of lattice rectum is what basically? 2b square by a is equal to 8. So 2 ones, 2 fours. So b square is equal to 4a. B square is equal to 4a, correct? Yes or no? B square is equal to 4a. So let us say this is the star equation. Let us say this is a star equation. So from the star equation, what can I do? 100 divided by a square 60 divided by 4a is equal to 1. Do you agree with my point or not? Tell me. LCM is what? What is LCM? What is the LCM? Takatak solanu. Guys, hyperbola given, right? Appo nadula hyperbola given, right? Nadula eppo guys nadula enna irukkendu? Inga one minus irukkendu. Hyperbola ku nadula minus dhaan irukkendu. Chintu, there is a printing mistake. Nadula minus. Okay va? Tell me. Do you agree with my point? Yes, sir. Ipo pare, what is the LCM of this? Tell me. LCM, takatak, fatafat, you take the LCM and tell me. Take the LCM, fatafat, takatak. Right? 4a square is LCM, so 4. So 400. So 400 minus 60a is equal to 4a square. Do you agree with my point? If this is the quadratic, 4a square plus 60a minus 400 is equal to 0, sir. If you take common 4, so 15 times of a minus. Okay, what are the possible values of a? So 15, 20 into 5, correct? 20 into minus 5, sorry, 20 minus 5, yes or no? A is 5 minus 20. This is possible, this is not possible. Yes or no, tell me. Yes or no, da? Correct or not? So a value 5, then b value, sir. What is the b square is equal to then? B square is equal to 20. Do you all agree with my point? Tell me. A is minus 20. a is minus 20. If a is minus 20, what happens? The hyperbola equation change ஆயிரும்டா. இது வந்து hyperbola ஆயிரும். இப்போ a value minus 20 if you take, அது வந்து conjugate hyperbola ஆயிரும். பாரு, think பண்ணி பாரு. அப்போ அதுக்காக minus 20 வரக்கூடாது. Yes or no? சஞ்சித், அது வேணா சஞ்சித், லாக்குள்ள இருக்கட்ட மட்டுக்கு வேணும், எனக்கு x வேல்யூஸ் மட்டுக்கு வேணும், அது தேவையில்ல. வெளியே இருக்க லாக் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ண தேவையில்லடா. அது கண்டிஷன் என்ன பாரு. இப்போ log of something I'm talking about only this chintu. I'm talking about only this guy. So in the log chintu is greater than 0. I'm talking about only this guy because this chintu involves x. From this only I'll be able to find out x value. அப்போ இது எனக்கு வேணாம். நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா சஞ்சித்? log of something அந்த something வந்து பாசிட்டிவ் இருக்கணும். அந்த something என்ன இது, அப்போ இது பாசிட்டிவ் இருக்கணும். அந்த previous question எப்படி இருக்கு பாரு. previous question எப்படி இருக்கு பாரு. in the log of something இது something should be greater than or equal to. That's what I did here. அது போதும் சஞ்சித். ஓகேவா? அது போட்டா கண்டிப்பா ஆன்சர் வந்துரும்டா. அது போதும். ரைட். இப்போ போட்டிங்கன்னா b ஸ்கொயர் வந்து 20 வந்துருச்சு சார். b ஸ்கொயர் 20. நெக்ஸ்ட் வாட் we should do டா? b ஸ்கொயர் 20, a ஸ்கொயர் 25 சாரி. ரைட். அப்போ இன்ட்ரஸ்டிங் பாரு. அப்ப hyperbola equation என்ன சார்? What is the equation of the hyperbola? So hyperbola equation will be x square by 25 minus y square by 20 is equal to 1. Wow. Yes or no? Yes sir. So x square by 25 minus y square by 20 is equal to 1. So length of lattice rectangle is 8. Square of the area of the PSS. Okay. So you do one diagram. You draw one diagram. இப்போ diagram draw பண்ணா Chintu, are you all listening? Yes sir. Yes. இது P sir. Okay. எனக்கு என்ன triangle வேணும் சார்? இந்த triangle ஓட ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்போ SS dash என்ன சார்? SS dash is equal to 2AE. அப்போ eccentricity என்ன சார்? 2AE என்ன? A தெரியும், E தெரியாது. அப்போ E தெரியாது. Let us find out E value. What is E sir? இது வந்து hyperbola 1 plus b square by a square. Correct? b square by a square. So square root of b square by a square means 20 by 25. So 45 by 25. 45 by 25, which is 9 by 5. So 3 by root 5. I'm getting E value as 3 by root 5. Check. I'm getting E value as 3 by root 5. Yes or no, Thambi? I'm getting eccentricity as 3 by root 5. Check. Yes or no? So 2AE. Upon 2AE and SS dash is what? SS dash is equal to 2AE. A and 5. Okay. E and okay. So 5 will be cancelled. Root 5 will be here. So 6 root 5 will be your SS dash. Okay. So area of the triangle and area of triangle PSS dash is what? Half into base. What is base now? SS dash is base. SS dash is base 6 root 5. Height and what is the height of the triangle? In the point of y quadrant. Y quadrant and 10 comma 2 root 15. So 10 comma 2 root 15 means height is 2 root 15. Y coordinate 2 root 15. 2 to cancel sir. So 6 into root 75. 6 into root 75. Okay, wow. Square of this area. In the area. So area of the square ena 36 into 75 da. Unit digit should be 0. Okay, wow. எல்லாத்துலமே 0 இருக்கு சார். 30. Yes or no, tell me? Guys, 36 into 75, tell me da. Do it here. Six 5 30, 6 42, 45, 15. Yes or no? I'm getting option D. Yes or no? Matching option D I'm getting now. 2700 is matching it. Yes or no? I'm getting 2700 is panna. 2700 will come. Purida ellarkum. Yes or no? Very good question. You understand what I'm doing here? Half into base into height. Height of the triangle enna? Is the height. What is this height? Y coordinate of this point, which is 2 root 50. That's what I wrote here. Next question bolama. Next question bolama. Yes sir. Next, a line. This is a beautiful question. Believe me, it's a fantabulous question. Wow, now wow. Guys, in the question they never asked before. Okay, if the line this where alpha belongs to what? Where alpha belongs to what? Alpha belongs to real numbers. Alpha belongs to real numbers. Does not meet the hyperbola. This, then the possible values of alpha n. Does not meet the hyperbola is nothing but there is one line. Look at the bottom ribbon. Is your hyperbola correct? Guys, we have three possible cases. Line can be like this. Line can cut. Line can touch. Line neither cuts nor touches. Yes or no? Line can cut to the hyperbola like this. Line can touch. If line is touching the hyperbola, adena tangent arrow. If line neither touches nor cuts, means what? Adro normal line. Apo we know that for tangency, condition of tangency na? Condition of tangency. C is equal to plus or minus square root of a square m square minus b square. Do you agree with my point? A square m square. Did we do this or not? Tell me guys. Did you all learn this? A square m square minus b square. Condition of tangency ki. Idana tangent. Idana secant. Idana our line. Okay, wow. And the line which neither cuts nor touches. Upon tangency ki dida. Okay, secant oda condition enna? Secant. Secant enna panadu theriyuma? Ipo discriminant equal to 0 போட்டா எனக்கு இது வந்துருச்சுடா. Secant என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்ச தெரியுமா? So a square m square minus b square greater than 0 you பண்ணணும். Greater than 0 you have to do. Yes or no? Or you do like c right? c. So c square greater than secant எப்பவுமே c square greater than a square m square minus b square பண்ணணும். Okay, line. இந்த லைனுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? Line which neither cuts nor touches. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? This is a concept. Concept என்ன? Tangency condition இதுல. அப்போ இது வந்து equal to 0 பண்றேன். SRO condition of tangency means discriminant equal to 0 பண்ணா எனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி condition வரும். Okay, we leave that. This is not our question now. We are not going to use this formula now. But here secant condition means what? What is secant condition? அப்போ secant condition c greater than or equal to இப்படி இருக்கும். Condition of tangents என்ன? C is equal to this. Okay வா? C square is equal to this also you can write. Condition of tangency can I write like this simply? C square is equal to what? A square m square minus b square. Yes or no? B square, are you getting the point or not, people? It is b square. Okay. C condition of tangency kidi, secant kidi, line kidi. Appo in the line does not meet the hyperbola. In the line does not meet the hyperbola means in the line dana. Appo in the condition use panano. In the condition use panano. புரியுதா? Yes or no? Yes or no? அப்போ இந்த condition போட்டு பாரு. What is C here? What is C டாரே? இந்த லைன் போடுறாரே, லைன் பாடுறா தம்பி, லைன். இப்போ பாரு 2y is equal to minus alpha x plus 1. So y is equal to minus alpha by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 தானா? புரியுதா நான் சொல்றது? பாரு, you need to substitute here. That's it. C and C square means 1 by 4 lesser than a square means what? What is a square da? A square of the hyperbola na x square by 9 minus y square by 1 is equal to 1 da. A square is 9 sir. 9 into m square. M square is what sir? Alpha square by 4 minus b square. B square na 1. Correct ara tabi? So 1 by 4 plus 1 lesser than 9 alpha square by 4. So idu panna 5 by 4. So 20 by 4 ah. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Do you agree with my point? Tell me here. Be careful. So 5 by 9 greater than alpha square. Appo alpha na should be greater than alpha square. Alpha square enough. alpha square is 0. How much? Alpha square greater than 0.55. Okay, alpha square. Alpha and possible value of alpha solid. That's it. We got this. Alpha square is more than 0.55. Appo alpha enada 0.6 varuma. 0.6 varuma paru. 0.6 kandipa varadu. 0.6 oda square will be lesser than 0.55. Appo A varadu. B varuma. 0.7 or 0.49 will come. Idhum varadu. 0.8 is the answer. Idhum varadu. Check. Now solradhu puriyudha ellarkum. D for Delhi Babu is the right answer. Sanjeet, wrong answer. Sanjeet. C for Chintu Babu is the right answer. Delhi Babu kadiyadu. Chintu Babu. Right? Do you agree with my point? Yes or no? Clearly? Clearly option C satisfies. Clearly option C satisfies. நல்லா இருக்கா क्वेश्चन எப்படி இருக்கு நல்லா இருக்கா yes or no next question போலாமா great again 2026 question 2026 ல ellipse hyperbola மேல நிறைய questions இருக்குடா ஓகேவா so the foci of the hyperbola coincide with the foci of the ellipse. The eccentricity of the hyperbola is 5. Then the length of lattice rectum. Hey, இது நீங்க பண்ணனுடா very simple டா தம்பி இத நீங்க பண்ணனும் homework டா இது வந்து homework டா தம்பி ஓகேவா you all can do this see coinciding டா see coincide means what confocal basically ஓகேவா foci of the hyperbola is what foci of the ellipse oda equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க so you find out ellipse oda equation டா அந்த equation I mean foci of the ellipse find out பண்ணா foci of the hyperbola will come okay wow foci of the hyperbola வந்துச்சுனா foci of the I mean hyperbola தெரியும் eccentricity of the hyperbola also given da eccentricity of the hyperbola is now 5 so from that I can find out what basically equation of the hyperbola வந்துச்சுனா latest rectum of the hyperbola will come firstly you need to try to find out equation of the hyperbola அதுக்கு எனக்கு a value வேணும் b value வேணும் eccentricity of the hyperbola வேணும் okay wow eccentricity of the hyperbola 5 தெரியும்டா so foci of the ellipse is what foci of the hyperbola ellipse oda equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க ellipse oda equation கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் I mean foci கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் foci கண்டுபிடிச்சா we will be getting foci of hyperbola அது வந்தா remaining a value b value தெரியும் as I know e value of hyperbola already a value of hyperbola b value of hyperbola very easy find out பண்ணிக்கலாம் yes or no sir how to memorize these formulas want to revise daily yes Sanjit நீங்க concept first see more than memorizing it concept you should know the diagram பாரு horizontal ellipse இப்படி இருக்கும் okay இது directrix ஓகேவா இது foci இது vertex இது center இதென்ன latest rectum ஓகேவா so latest rectum so point if I take any point on this ellipse so point to the I mean this distance and this distance here ps by pm distance will be called as what eccentricity you should know these basic points now if I know these basic points I can be able to apply over the questions very easily basic concept if you are not good at concept that will be difficult அது வந்து difficult ஆயிரும்டா concepts basic ellipse எப்படி இருக்கும் horizontal ellipse னா vertical ellipse னா அது தெரியலனா கஷ்டமாயிரும் first you understand the diagram basic terminologies தெரியணும் okay eccentricity formula என்ன relation between abe என்ன okay foci of the hyperbola என்ன foci of the conjugate hyperbola என்ன foci of the vertical ellipse என்ன foci of the horizontal ellipse என்ன latest rectum of ellipses என்ன latest rectum of hyperbolas என்ன you all have to know these formulas if you all know this very smoothly it can be done believe me this is one of the easiest chapters okay ellipse and hyperbola vandu thambi marida both are brothers to each other okay so if you know one chapter other chapter will be easy first ellipse you should learn hyperbola will be very fast in terms of practicing in terms of learning in terms of PYQ solving everything will be fast first ellipse you should learn right yes or no great sir same again the length of the latest rectum of ellipse whose foci are this and this eccentricity is this can't you find out this now tell me will you be not able to find out this Are Chintu tell me what type of ellipse is the foci pare firstly நீங்க பண்ணனும். Tell me, let me give a hint, you can do this. Let me give a hint. foci எங்க இருக்குடா? இங்க ஒரு foci இருக்குடா. 2,5 2,5 இங்க இருக்கு. okay 2,3 இங்க இருக்கு. so இது கண்டிப்பா vertical ellipse தான். ஓகேவா? பாரு. so foci இங்க இருக்குடா. S1 S2. ஓகேவா? இது vertical ellipse. obviously இது vertical ellipse. vertical ellipse. vertical ellipse னா distance between foci கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? இது 2,5. distance between foci என்ன சார்? 2BE. what is the distance between these two guys? distance between these two guys is what? what is the distance between these two da? 2BE is equal to 8 dana? or there is a mistake raching too. there is a mistake raching too. அது 2, -3 da. there is a mistake I think. yes, அது 2, -3. the question la is -3 இருக்கு. இது -3. if that is the case, என்ன தெரியுமா? this will be going up as simple as that. yes or no? இது என்னடா? 2, -3. இது என்னடா? 2, 5 ராச்சு முடிஞ்சு. okay 2BE என்ன? distance between foci என்ன? 2BE என்ன? guys distance between foci என்ன? 2BE means நீங்க பைத்தியம் மாதிரி இப்படி distance find out பண்ண தேவையில்லை. இங்க 3 to 5 units how much da? -3 to 0 3 units, 3 to 5 5 units, 5 plus 3 8 units. அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சு. இப்படி பண்ணணும் ஸ்மார்ட்டா. 2 1s 2 4s. அப்போ BE is equal to what? 4. புரியுதா? yes or no? yes sir. இப்போ latest rectum of ellipse தான் எனக்கு requirement. latest rectum of ellipse தான் requirement. eccentricity of the ellipse given da. eccentricity of the ellipse என்ன? we know that இது vertical ellipse. vertical ellipse condition என்ன? eccentricity means 1 minus a square by b square is equal to eccentricity. okay வா? so 1 minus okay so b given. otherwise சார் இதுக்கு வேணாம் சார், இது எல்லாமே எனக்கு வேணும் சார். simply இப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். see so we know that b square is equal to b square into 1 minus e square. correct? so a square is equal to b square eccentricity, right? eccentricity what I'm going to get? tell me now. b square b whole square. so tell me what is the answer? எனக்கு be தெரியும். distance between foci be I got. அப்போ a value b value condition என்ன வரும்? b square into 1 minus e square. so b square என்னடா? what is b square? b value is now eccentricity 4/5 given. eccentricity பாரு. eccentricity 4/5 given is equal to 4 4 cancel. b is equal to 5 பாரு. b is equal to 5. b is equal to 5 na 5 means 25 ah. so b whole square means what? b என்ன 4 16. so a square என்ன 9. முடிஞ்ச ஆன்சர் முடிஞ்சடே. அப்போ length of latest rectum எனக்கு வேணும். so 2a square by வேணும். so LLR which is 2a square by b. so 2a square by b என்ன √5. tell me 18/5. length of latest rectum என்ன? a square 9. b square என்ன? b is 5. sorry, b is 5. okay so 18/5. b for Bombay. b for Bombay Bazaar is the right answer. any doubt? any doubts? tell me guys, any doubts here? very simple, right? how simple it is. all the questions are like this only. you can do these questions very easily da. next again same. length of the minor axis of the ellipse. guys takatak fatapat. look, length of the minor axis of the ellipse is equal to 1/4 of the distance between the foci. distance between the foci of the ellipse is what's that? 2AE. minor axis length and sir, let me say horizontal ellipse I'm talking about. so distance between the foci is what? basically இது 2AE. 2AE is the distance. okay va? 2AE is the distance. now tell me minor axis means what's the b? இது b. so minor axis length என்ன? b. so minor axis length என்னடா? b plus b. 2b is equal to 1/4 of distance between 2a. distance between their foci. yes or no? tell me 2 cancel ah. so b is equal to what? 1/4. eccentricity given ah? no, eccentricity they have not given sir. appo AE/4 sir. AE/4 or not? tell me AE/4 or not? so AE is equal to what sir? AE is equal to 4b. AE is equal to 4b. இது தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? tell me. so what I know here, we know that b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. so b square is equal to a square minus ae whole square. தெரியுமா தெரியாதா சொல்லு. so ae என்ன? b value can be written as what? ae/4 ah? b square and tell me b is basically b square means what? A square e square by 16. So a square minus a square and a square is 3. So let us write a square minus a square means what? 16b square. We need eccentricity, right? Don't disturb this. So this one a square e square. Or else you take a common. If you take a common, or else let us not disturb this. No. Let us write this as it is. Check this will be cancelled. If this is cancelled, so e square by e square is equal to what? 16 times of 1 minus e square. Correct? 16 times of 1 minus e square. So e square is equal to what? 16 minus 16 e square. So 17 e square is equal to 16. So e is equal to what? 4 by root 17. 4 by root 17. C for Chintu is the right answer. Any doubts? C for Chintu is the right answer. Any doubt, guys? Tell me. Did you all understand how did we do this? Length of the minor axis, which is 2b, is equal to 1/4 of distance between foci, which is 2AE. So B is this, AE vandirichu. I am applying this formula. I am making entire equation in terms of E, as I have to find out eccentricity, making the whole equation in terms of E. Correct? Full equation E la in terms of eccentricity. Then we can find out eccentricity value easily. Okay? You can check that as well. Sanjit, adiyu panikla Sanjit. Sanjit, adiyu panikla. Check pani paru. If they are not mentioning, you better to take this ellipse and do it. Okay, if they are not mentioned. Adiyu panikla. Please do that and verify with your answer. Okay. Next. Guys, this is chord equation of this ellipse whose midpoint is given. Equation of, look at the board everyone. This ellipse da, this chord da, ellipse oda midpoint na, ellipse oda, ellipse oda chord oda midpoint, which is 5/2, 1/2. Correct? 5/2, 1/2 da na? 5/2, 1/2. Correct? Illiya sollanu. Appo formula enna sir? T is equal to S1. Formula T is equal to S1. Okay va? Appo ellipse na x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. T means what, sir? x1 by 9 minus y1 by 4 is equal to S1 means in the point the 2 ki pota. So 5/2 whole square by 9 plus 1/2 whole square by 4. Minus or minus 1 will be cancelled anyway. So are you all getting the point? Right? So tell me here, x into x1 and sir 5/2. 5/2, so 5x by 9, 18 minus y by 1. So y1 means what? 1/2. So y by 8. Y by 8 yes or no? So 25/36 plus 1/36. So 26/36. So 4, 16. Yes or no? Tell me, direct Chintu. Chintu, tell me. Any doubts here? Any doubts? What is LCM? 72. 144 is LCM. Yes. 144. So what is LCM here? 36. 72. Yes or no? 20x minus 9y divided by 72. Okay, what is LCM here? 144. 136, 16 LCM 144. Then 36 to 72, 72 to 144. 144 is multiple of this also. Yes. So 4 times, so 100. So 9 times. Yes or no? 72 1, 72 2s. 1. Wow. Nalar calculation. So 20x minus 9y is equal to 109/2. 109/2. Yes or no? So 2 cross multiply panne 40x minus 18y is equal to 109. Correct? Do you agree with my point? Do you agree with my point? Yes or no? They have given this. They have given this as what? Alpha x. This is chord equation. Beta y is equal to 110. They given. They have given this. Compare panni paru. Alpha is equal to 40. Appo beta na minus 18. Okay. So alpha plus beta na 12. Oh my god. Something is missed. Something is missing. Here plus, right? Why did I minus here? Plus. Here plus 1, yes. Plus. Yes or no, Tambi, 18. So alpha plus beta and apo. Alpha plus beta and 58. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Any doubts? D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Any doubt, Tambi? Guys, did you all get the point? Yes or no? Are you all here? Purida, any doubts? Very good. Next. Idarna equation of chord. To find out equation of chord when midpoint is given. What is the formula? To find equation of chord when midpoint is given. Okay, to find out equation of chord when midpoint is given. Yes or no? That's great. Next. Look, the length of the minor axis of the ellipse is equal to half of the distance of its distance between the foci. Length of the minor axis is equal to 2b, half of the distance between the foci, which is AE. Half of the distance between foci, correct or not? The eccentricity of the ellipse is cancelled. So 2b is equal to AE. 2b is equal to AE. Yes or no? Tell me. So b by A is equal to what, sir? E by 2. B by A is equal to E by 2 or not? So eccentricity anada. Eccentricity is what, Rama? Very simple, right? So B by A whole square. So square root of 1 minus B by anada. E square by 4. So eccentricity anada. So 3 E square by 4. Okay, eccentricity is what, tell me? What is eccentricity, tell me? Three square by 4 means 4 minus E square. 4 minus E square, not 3 square. I made a mistake. 4 minus E square. 4 minus E square by, right? Squaring on both sides. So is 4 E square is equal to 4 minus E square. So 5 E square is equal to 4. E square is equal to 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5. B for Bombay is the right answer. B for Bombay is the right answer. Any doubts? Same like before, guys. Yes. This is simple question only. This is simple question only. I want everybody to do this. I want everybody to do this. Actually, this is also homework. Focus of the hyperbola. This corresponding directrix is this. E and L be the eccentricity and length of latest rectum hyperbola. Guys, this is also homework. The same type, same type, Babu. Same type. No changes. Okay, wow. Please do this as a homework. Another beautiful question. Check. Let H comma K lie on the circle this, and this point lie on the ellipse with eccentricity E. Then the value of pi by E square. Let me see how many of you are going to do this. Fantabulous question. Make it fast. Hello. H comma K point. H comma K point. Tell me. H comma K be a point of the circle. So let x square plus y square is equal to 4, right? 4 means 2 square. Yes or no? 4 means 2 square. So let us take any point on the, let P. Parametric coordinates of circle is what? R cos theta comma R sin theta. Correct or not? R cos theta comma R sin theta. Correct or not? R cos theta comma R sin theta. So now tell me here, R cos theta comma R sin theta means what? So 2 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. 2 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. So this is what in fact H comma K. Correct or not? So let this point lie on the circle is nothing but, now this point is also lying on the circle. Guys, any point on the circle, how do you assume? Any point on the circle, eppadi assume pandrathu? In terms of parametric coordinates. Parametric coordinates of the circle enna? R cos theta, R sin theta. R value enna? 2. So point P வந்து இப்படி வந்துச்சு. அப்போ H enna? 2 cos theta, correct or not? H is equal to 2 cos theta and K enna? 2 sin theta. இது வந்துருச்சா? அப்போ then and the point, this point lie on the ellipse with eccentricity E. Okay, given that H 2H plus 1 comma 2H plus 1 comma 3K plus 2. 2H plus 1 means what? 4 cos theta plus 1 and 6 sin theta plus 2. Yes or no? Tell me. Do you agree? This lies on what? Guys, here 4 cos theta plus 2, sorry, because H value 4 cos theta, right? H value is what? 2 cos theta, right? Correct only, yes sir, it's correct only, yes, check. Am I right? So 3K plus 2 means what? 3K 6 sin theta plus 2. Okay, this point lies on the ellipse with eccentricity 2. Yes or no? What is ellipse here? Tell me. This lies on the ellipse. This lies on the ellipse. This lies on the ellipse. So what is the ellipse equation? Tell me. This lies on the ellipse is nothing but, tell me. X is what? Basically this x square, which means what here? X is equal to 4 cos theta plus 1. Y is equal to what? What is y? 6 sin theta plus 2. Let me take these coordinates in terms of x and y. Let us P be any point. I mean, let us x comma y any point of the ellipse. Okay. X comma y ennaru idhe idana. X ennaru paru. So x minus 1 by 4 is equal to cos theta from this. What is y? Y minus 2 by 6 is equal to sin theta. Yes or no, Babu? Yes or no? So adding both is equation number 1. Squaring and adding now. It is shifted ellipse. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. What I am going to get? Tell me. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? So x minus 1 whole square divided by 4 square plus y minus 2 whole square divided by 6 square. This is the shifted ellipse. We need to find out eccentricity of this. So basically A is lesser than B here. Okay, A is lesser than B. So what I need to find out? Eccentricity means vertical ellipse. Correct or not? This is vertical ellipse. Okay, vertical ellipse means eccentricity ka formula. What is that? 1 minus A square by B square with square root. Cool. So square root of 1 minus 6 square, right? So 6 square minus 4 square divided by 4 square. 6 square. 36 minus 16. 20. 20 by 36. 20 by 5 by 6. Root 5 by 6. This is E basically. Yes or no? This is E basically. Are you all getting the point? I am getting eccentricity as root 5 by 6. Root 5 by 6. 20 by 36. So 5 by 9, sorry. 5 by tell me 5 by 9 dana? 5 by 9. So root 5 by 3 I am getting. This is eccentricity. Root 5 by 3 dana? Check. Root 5 by 3. what I want 5 by e square. I want 5 by e square means what, sir? What is 5 by e square? 5 by e square will be 5 by e square. E square is what? 5 by 3. 5 by so 9 by 5. 9 by this will be cancelled. 9 will be the answer. 9 is the answer for this. How many have you got? 9. 9. Very good, very good, very good, Sajit. Very good, Tambi. Guys, any doubts? Shall we move forward? Great. Any doubts here, guys? Tell me, guys. Any doubts? I'm taking a point in terms of parametric coordinates equating with x and y. I got h as this, k as this. This point lies on the ellipse given to us. So h I know, k I know. I put it over here. Now this lies on the ellipse. So this lies on the ellipse is nothing but if I take x comma y, I'm taking the ellipse as like this. Okay, so tell me basically x comma y lies on this ellipse, which is nothing but x comma y is what basically x and y. So if I write in terms of parametric coordinates, if I write in terms of cos theta and sin theta, if I isolate sin theta and cos theta, edhukku sir rendu pe square panni add panna sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 dana, I have a huge chance to get ellipse equation. Okay, idanna 1. This is 1 basically. Cool. Are you all getting the point or not, people? எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா? இது வந்து 1 சார். Becomes conics bit tough. I taught, you taught, now it is easy. Yes, if you solve the questions actually it is easy, Radhambi. Okay. Another beautiful question. Another beautiful question, you see. The line this intersect the ellipse at the point A and B. Then angle made by the line segment AB at the center of the ellipse. Very good question again. Basic mathematics, if you apply that, you will be getting the answer. If you apply the basic mathematics, you will get the answer very easily. Okay, wow. So in the matter of ellipse irukda, in the matter of ellipse irukda. Any doubts? Hello. Yes sir. Next pathina eppadi sir? There is a line. What is the line? Y is equal to mx, positive slope. So there is a line like this. So y intercept is what, sir? 1. So there is a line like this that is intersecting at what point? A point and B point, sir. A point and B point. What is A point? There. Basically A point is what? 0, 1 dana. Y intercept is 1 obviously. B point na, I don't know B point. B point, which means you need to solve these two lines. For B, for point B, solve line and ellipse. So y is equal to what? X plus 1. So x square by 2. So x plus 1. X plus 1 whole square divided by 1 is equal to 1. So x square by 2. Cross multiply x square. So a square plus b square plus. Tell me guys. So what is the answer of this? Mm-hmm. 3x square plus 4x is equal to 0. Obviously x is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4 by 3. If x is equal to 0, what is y value? If x is equal to 0, what is y value? 1. If x is equal to minus 4 by 3, what is y value? 4 by 1 minus 4 by 3, how much? Minus 1 by 3. Do you agree? Yes or no, Tambi? Obviously one point is 0, 1. Another point is so minus 4 by 3, minus 1 by 3. I got B point like this. Simple calculation. In the line ellipse solve panna enakku ipdi coordinates vandiruchu. Rendu values of x. X 0 na y value 1. And the point is in the point. X value minus 4 by 3 na y value na minus 1 by 3. And the point is the B point. Now angle made by the line segment AB at the center of the ellipse. Now inga par. Everybody look at the board. Now till this everybody can do very easily. Till this everybody can do very easily. Now actual story starts. Okay. Now actual story starts. We need to find out this angle. Look at the board, everyone. Hello. Chintu. Yes, look at the board. We need to find out this angle. This angle we need to find out. Which angle? This angle. This angle how much here? How much this angle is? Tell me. How much this angle is? 90 plus theta. Let's say the theta. Is 90. 90 plus theta or not? Tell me. So 90 plus theta is your answer. But theta is what here? For finding theta, what I am going to do? For finding theta, we need to fight. For finding theta, எப்படி பண்றது பாரு. For finding theta, what should I do? Tell me da. Re Chintu, இப்ப பாரு. கண்டிப்பா there is a one big look. There is definitely one big right angle triangle. Check. Is it 90 degrees or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. There is a right angle triangle. Is the triangle pari? There is a right angle triangle. Purida. In the right angle triangle pari. In the right angle triangle, tan theta na. From this triangle, what do you say? You say the A, B, the C. Let's say this O. Okay. From the triangle OCB. What is tan theta, sir? Tan theta is what? Tell me. Opposite na y length. Y length how much da? Minus 1/3 divided by adjacent. X length how much da? Minus 4/3. 3 cancel, sir. Oh, minus cancel, sir. Yes or no, sir? Theta is equal to tan inverse of 1/4. Answer endra. Answer solanu. Takatak fatapat. Mudinchi. Tan inverse of 1/4 is answer. Plus 90. 90. B for Bombay. B for Balle. B for Bombay is the right answer. Tell me. 90 plus tan inverse of 1/4. 90 plus tan inverse of 1/4. So now solve purida. Did you all understand this? How did you find out? This is C point, is O point, B point, is A point. From the triangle OCB, tan theta na. Opposite means y length, which is 1 minus 1/3 divided by adjacent. Adjacent means this x length. X length how much da? Minus 4/3. For tan theta is equal to 1/4 will come. Theta na tan inverse of 1/4. Adi inga pota option B is match. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? Yes, sir. Next, the foci of the hyperbola. This is also a very good question. Simple but very good question. The foci of the hyperbola. Be this and this. It passes through the point this. Then the length of lattice rectum. Every question is basically length of lattice rectum by giving some different information. Information will be done. What we need to find out ultimately is going to be the same. But அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க டேட்டா வந்து கொஞ்சம் வேரி ஆயிடும் பாரு. The foci of the hyperbola இது it passes through 1,6. Hyperbola passing through 1,6. Now tell me, how do we proceed? சொல்லணும். டக்காட்டக் ஃபடாபட் சொல்லணும். What type of hyperbola is this? Foci எப்படி இருக்குடா? First you draw the diagram properly. Diagram if you draw, that's it da. If you draw the diagram correctly, முடிஞ்சு. Okay, yes sir. Foci வந்து 1,14 இங்க இருக்கு சார். ஒரு foci 1,14 இங்க இருக்கு. இன்னொரு foci இங்க இருக்கு சார். ஓகேவா? So hyperbola is something like this. ஓகேவா? Hyperbola இப்படி இருக்குடா. Yes or no sir? Yes or no? Any doubts? X length is same. ரெண்டு foci ஓட x length என்ன சேம் டா பாவு. கரெக்டா பாருடா Chintu. Look at the board, Chintu. இது பாரு, this என்ன? What is this? 1,14 sir. What is this? 1, minus 12 sir. புரியுதா? Sir, basic information is what? Tell me. Basic information is what? You all have to answer one question to me. This is standard hyperbola, this is shifted hyperbola. Standard hyperbola concept enna? This center. Correct or not? Center was the midpoint of the vertices or not? Tell me. Center was the midpoint of their foci or not? Center is midpoint of the foci or not? Tell me da. Midpoint of S1 and S2 is what da? S1 is S2. Center enna? Midpoint of center. center is equal to midpoint of S1 and S2. S1 and S2. Okay, this center sir. Okay, this S1, this S2, this center. Purida? Oh my god. Okay, look at the board everyone. So center is what? Midpoint of C1 and S1 and S2 or not? Yes sir. Upon center and midpoint of this is nothing but 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 2 which is 1. Okay, 1 comma 1. Center is what? 1 comma 1 is the center. Ellarkum purida? Sir, we have very few days. I'm scared to learn new concepts. What will you suggest? I learned concepts last year in Vidyal. HM bros, நீங்க புது கான்செப்ட் எதுமே படிக்க கூடாதுடா. Please do watch my strategical video of last 20 days. In the channel strategical video, please go through that. New concepts you don't have to study anything. I'm strictly telling you don't have to follow any new concepts. The one which you already learned in the party, we already know all this. Very important. Need to solve this to get some confidence, to uplift. Okay, to get some sort of confidence. நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி questions solve பண்ணுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி means இந்த மாதிரி chapters. Okay, take easy chapters, high weightage chapters, to take them and maximize your math score in those particular chapters. Adha very ரொம்ப important. Okay va? Don't be like overconfident. Sir, I already did it in the past. I know that. I'll try to study new. Believe me, you are not going to make if you are doing that. That is not a right move. அப்படி பண்ண கூடாது. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? So please do not do that. Please try to learn the old concepts again. Try to do the important concepts again. Try to solve the important most repeated PYQs again. Please go through that again. That might help you rather than studying new concepts. Better you stick with old concepts. Study it 2-3 times. No problem. Okay. இது வந்துருச்சா? Length of lattice rectum we need to find out. Length of lattice rectum எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? So distance between foci is what? Tell me. Distance between the foci is what? Distance between foci is what? Tell me. Distance between foci is vertical ellipse 2BE. Distance between the foci is what? Total length how much? Distance between the foci is what? Tell me here. Here 2BE. Distance how much? Tell me. Minus 12 to origin 12 units. Okay, wow. Minus 12 to 14 how much? 26 units. So 2 ones 13s. BE is equal to 13. BE is equal to 13. Do you agree with my point? BE is equal to 13 or not? Tell me. Okay. Yes or no, Chintu? Yes sir. Sir, அப்போ இது x axis sir. இப்போ x axis க்கு இதுக்கு distance எவ்வளவு sir? X axis க்கு இதுக்கு distance என்ன? There is a one point given na. என்ன point கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாரு. There is a point which passes through the ellipse. So hyperbola 1,6. அப்போ இதுக்கு distance என்னடா? இதுக்கு distance என்ன? Guys, you tell me. Basically இந்த பாயிண்ட்க்கு distance என்னடா? இது வந்து origin. இது வந்து 0, a. Correct or not? I mean 0, b, sorry. இது origin 0, b. இது என்னடா? B distance தான இது. இந்த distance என்ன? B distance. Correct or not? B distance. அப்போ 0 to 0, b distance என்ன? B distance. அப்போ 1,12, 1,6 distance என்ன? 1,12, 1,6 distance என்ன? This distance. Let me write here this distance. Okay, what is this distance? Tell me. This distance is basically what? B. Correct? That is equal to 5. Do you agree with my point? This distance is B, that is equal to 5. I got BE value 13. B value now 5. I know B value. I know BE value. Can't you find out A value now? Yes sir, very easily. So B square is equal to the vertical ellipse. I mean what? Transverse conjugate, right? Transverse hyperbola. Conjugate hyperbola, right? So A square is equal to transverse hyperbola na enna? B square is equal to B square into E square minus 1. இது எனக்கு தெரியும் சார். இப்போ A square தெரியாது. So B square என்ன? BE whole square minus B square. A square is equal to B square என்ன சார்? 169 minus 25 which is 144. A value என்ன? 12. A value என்ன? A square is equal to 144 obviously. Okay வா? A square என்ன? 144. Length of lattice rectum என்ன? 2A square by B. So 2A square now 144. B value now 5. Okay, so 288 by 5. 288 by 5. C for Chintu Wala is the right answer again. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. It's me, MSD7868. Goofyjan Payaluga. Goofyjan Payalugada. Arey, Goofyjan Chintu. Inga parra Chintu. It is all panra Chintu. Goofyjan venada. In the question venada. 2025 lyrical question. Arey. 2025 one the question. Arey. Beautiful question. Conceptual question. Full diagrammatical based question. This basics of hyperbola theriyala idu theriyadu. Paru. Did you all get the point? Idu ellarkum purida? Idu ellarkum purida illaya? Yes or no? Arey Goofygan and Goofygan Payaluga. Arey Goofyjan. MSD. You get the board right, MSD. Next question polama. Next question. Yes. Look. Yes. Even E2. Guys, this is also homework to you all. This is also homework. We already did this type of question. Okay. So, guys, we try to cover all sort of concepts from the ellipse law. Okay. Any doubts? Yes. Priyanka, where were you, Priyanka? Priyanka is coming now and start saying yes or nice explanation. Where were you, Priyanka? Sabarinathan. Wow. Shabari. Swamiye Shabarimayappa. Swamiye Sharanamayappa. Shabari Babu, where were you, Shabari Babu? Huh? Now he is coming and saying, yes, sir. Very good, Shabari. Very good. Keep it up. Sanjit. Yes. Om Namah Shivaya, Sanjit. Okay, guys. Hope you all understood the concepts which I have taught now. We try to cover all the concepts related to ellipse, hyperbola, important concepts. Now, April session ke enna venalo, April session enna veno, what kind of questions enak veno, so that I can get minimum confidence, minimum concepts you should have. Okay, I try to cover almost all different varieties which has been asked in the recent year. Okay, and also listen to me, I have given lot of homework questions to you all. See, lot of homework questions. Idukapram full homework mattu homework. Homework mele homework. HW க்கு மேல HW, HW க்கு மேல HW. ஓகேவா? நீங்க எல்லாமே சால்வ் பண்ணி எனக்கு சார்ட் பாக்ஸ்ல ஆன்சர் சொல்லணும். ஓகேவா? So I will not message in the live chat sir, but I will always listen sir. Yes, Priyanka. Very good, Priyanka. Wow, Anna, wow. Priyanka will not message in the live chat, but she will always listen. Very good. Keep it up, Priyanka. I thought you were not here. Saralar, okay. Okay, Saralar, okay. Okay. Yes, I've got a lot of homework questions for you all. So please find out all the homework questions here. Okay. So whatever the questions we discussed, okay. So adakku mela, whatever the questions I discussed, andamari questions I have given in homework. Okay, wow. So those who have listened this class carefully, those who solved everything simultaneously along with me, so they will be able to solve all homework questions. Hey, homework questions kandipa solve pannanuda. 2026 questions, 2025 questions, 2024 irukku, 23 irukku. All latest questions, beautiful questions, on point, 100% pakka questions. Okay va? Neenga solve panni chart box la answer sollanum. Right ah? Yes or no? Yes sir. So yeah, if you have not joined our Telegram channel yet, so please do join Telegram channel. Ingirku pari. JEE Vati channel la Telegram link vandu ingirkida. So please do join Telegram. Okay. Yes, Sanjit. I will upload it, Sanjit. Okay. So please do join our Telegram. And if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. That is very important. And also, please, if you really liked the session, if you feel that you are putting genuine effort, I want everybody to smash out the like button. Okay, wow. I want everybody to smash out the like button. Okay. And please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this session with your friends. That's really important. And this is the minimum expectation as a teacher I could have. This is a minimum, this is a small gift I could ever get from my Chintus. Okay, so yeah, this is what the session is all about. Hope you enjoyed this. I want everybody to practice more and more homework questions, more and more questions, plus do solve the homework questions. That will be really handy before getting into the April session. Okay, adu marana kudadra. Right, so let us wrap it up now. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, tada, bye bye, good night.